Hi, I'm Coach Zauner, and we're here in beautiful sunny Fountain Hills, Arizona, doing our 2016 April Snappers Only High School Camp. Enjoy this specialist snapping workout.
Here we go, number 14, Steve Bird, Sandra Day O'Connor High School, perfect laces drill. Snap number 1. 3 points, wobble. Here we go, snap number 2. 3 points.
Turn, 3 points.
Here we go, snap number 3. 3 points, wobble. Here we go, snap number 4. 3 points. Here we go, snap number 5. 3 points. Here we go, snap number 6. 3 points. Here we go, snap number 7. 3 points.
Good job there, Steve. Keep it up. Rolling those laces, 2.5.
Here we go, snap number 8. 3 points.
He's a good catcher.
Here we go, snap number 9. 3 points.
Here we go, snap number 10.
Here we go, snap number 10.
Number 7.
Ooh, quarter turn, 2.5. You changed it up.
Here we go. Snapper number 14. Balls and strikes at 14 yards, free release. Okay? That's a strike, little wobble. Here we go. Snap number 2. All right, that's a strike just about at the knees. You got a hometown ump on that one. All right, that's a strike. Snap number 3. That's a strike. Get another card out so we the next go. Snap number 4. All right, snap number 4. Here we go. That's a strike, top of the numbers. All right, rotate.
Here we go, number 14, balls and strike drill, 14, vertical set, snap number 1. Ball right at the feet. Snap number 2. Strike. Number 3. Strike. Here we go, snap number 4. Strike.
Here we go, number 14, coverage drill. All right, a little high, top of the numbers, hit it. Up, 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 over, over, over. There you go, hit it. Come on up. Hit it, seat roll. Over, 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 quick feet, quick hands. Break down, explode.